How do schools prepare children to one day enter the workforce? All of the above with a standardized curriculum through the hidden curriculum by socializing them in teamwork. Who believed that history of society was one of class struggle? Karl Marx. How did nearly complete isolation as a child affect Danielle's verbal abilities? She could not communicate at all. Why do sociologists need to be careful when drawing conclusions from twin studies? The sample size are often small. Wright Mills once said that sociologists need to develop a sociological blank to study how society affects individuals. That would be imagination. The concept of the iron cage was popularized by which of the following sociological thinkers? Max Weber. What research did John S. Lynn and Helen Merrill Lynn mainly use in their Middletown study? That was participant observation. What research technique would most likely be used by a symbolic interactionist? That would be participant observation. Paco knows that women find him attractive, and he's never found it hard to get a date. But as he ages, he dyes his hair to hide the grade and wears clothes that camouflage the weight put on. Paco's behavior can best be explained by the concept of the looking glass self. Emil Durkheim's ideas about society can best be described as functionalist. An example of high culture would be Dostoevsky style in film, and American Idol winners would be pop culture. So high culture is the Dostoevsky style in film, and the pop culture would be American Idol winners. Which founder believes society's changed due to class struggle? Good old Karl Marx. According to Marx, the blank on the means of production in society, the bourgeois. McDonald's is found in almost every country around the world as an example of globalization. Seeing patterns means that a sociologist needs to be able to compare the behaviors of individuals from different societies. What is one way to distinguish between psychology and sociology? Well, psychology focuses on the mind, sociology on society. Psychologists are interested in mental health, while sociologists are interested in societal functions. Psychologists look inward to understand behavior, while sociologists look outward. So that would be all of the above if all three of those are there. Socialization as a sociological term means how people learn societal norms, beliefs, and values. Who coined the phrase symbolic interactionism? That would be Herman Bloomer. Rodney and Elise are U.S. students studying abroad. When they are introduced to the host families, the families kiss them on both cheeks. When Rodney's host brother introduces himself and kisses Rodney on both cheeks, Rodney pulls back in surprise. Where he is from, unless they are romantically involved, men do not kiss each other. This is an example of culture shock. Modern day hipsters are an example of counterculture. The difference between positivism and antipositivism relates to whether sociological studies can predict or improve society. Which of these theories is most likely to look at the societal world in a micro level? Symbolic interactionism. Which of the following is typically the earliest agent of socialization? Would be your family. The American dream, the notion that anybody can be successful and rich if they work hard enough, is most commonly associated with which sociological theory? Conflict theory. Organic solidarity is most likely to exist in which of the following types of society? That would be industrial. According to Peter Berger and Thomas Lukeman, a society is based on habitual actions. Cultural sanctions can also be used as ways that society regulates behavior. Your 83-year-old grandmother has used a computer for some time as a way to keep in touch. You send her emails with a few lines, and then she calls to respond to those emails. This is an example of cultural lag. Sociological studies test relationships in which change in one blank causes change in another. That would be variable. Weber believes humans could not be studied purely objectively because they were influenced by their culture. A symbolic interactionist may compare social interactions to theatrical roles. Which of the following is not a way people are socialized by religion? That would be an individual's personal internal experience of the divine being leads to their faith, because that's internal, not from a society standpoint. Kenneth and Mamie Clark used sociological research to show that segregation was harmful. From a sociological perspective, which of the factor does not greatly influence a person's socialization? That would be their blood type. Well, that is choosing a random sample an effective way to select participants, because everyone has a chance to be a part of the study. In a study, a group of 10-year-old boys are fed donuts every morning for a week and then weighed to see how much weight they gain. Which factor is the dependent variable? Be the weight gained. Which of the following best describes sociology as a subject, the study of society and social interaction? Which materials are considered secondary data? Books and articles written by authors about their studies. Chris Langan's story illustrates that socialization can be more important than intelligence. This was the guy with a high IQ but couldn't navigate society. Mary works in an office downtown where young children stay at a neighbor's house. She's learned the child care provider is leaving, and she's volunteering at church. And then she's got her mother-in-law that she's got to deal with who's sick. Which of the following is likely to occur as Mary tries to balance her existing new responsibility? That would be role strain. Don't know anything about that. Terms blank and blank are often used interchangeably, but have nuances that differentiate culture and society. Which of the following is true regarding U.S. socialization of recent high school graduates? They are expected to enter college, trade school, or the workforce shortly after graduation. Most cultures have been found to identify laughter as a sign of humor, joy, or pleasure. Likewise, most cultures recognize music in some form. Music and laughter are examples of universalism. Which of the following is a manifest function of school? That would be learning to read or write. What would a quantitative sociologist use to gather data? A large survey, which we're going to check that. So there's going to be just a moment of time here. So just a minute. That's what I wanted to double check. Believe me. Yeah, a large survey, I think is right. All right, backing up here. Limits. Berger describes sociologists as concerned with both monumental moments in people's lives and common everyday life events. Sociologists define society as a group of people who reside in a defined area, share a culture, and interact. Which approach is best suited for the scientific method? That would be a question there. Which of the following occupations is a person of power most likely to have in an information society? And that would be a software engineer. Last but not least, Protestant work ethic is based on the concept of predestination, which states that God has already chosen those who will be saved, and the rest of us be damned. Bleep, bleep, that's all, folks.